size. I have a couple of rulers from Omni Grip. Busy and not really to my liking. This ruler is 5.5 inches, so maybe it's something that you want to invest in, but for me it's a bit too busy for me. It's very busy, a lot going on there. I don't actually care. I don't see a name on them, and I'm pretty sure that so that's helpful if you're cutting materials at different angles. Again, this is 12.5 inches, and then there's also a 9.5 inch of the same. I like to just square as much as possible, and are manufactured by Missouri Star Quilt. This is a 10-inch block. It is 13 inches squared. So throughout this ruler, so that you could, and also I sometimes use this to square up my quilts. So